So how are we moving forward? How are we doing discharge? We want to provide the community with cleaning supplies to help them clean up after the hurricane has gone through. We want to help with meal deliveries because oftentimes the power will go out and there will be no water for, could be a short time, could be a very long time. So we want to make sure we're providing food and water. We want to do fundings. We want to put funding forward to help repair and provide supplies to these communities. And we want to help them with transitional housing. Maybe sometimes their home isn't ready yet. They can't go home, or their home was destroyed in the hurricane. So then they need help going into another facility to stay there while they try to get themselves together and rebuild. Also resources to help them cope with what had just happened. So we want them to know information about substance abuse, hotlines that they can reach out to, mental health services, and disaster stress hotline, and food banks.